Hello, welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog. I got D&T Detailing coming to pick up the truck to give her a bath, clean her out. She's a dirty girl. Dirty girl. Served to the door today.
Yeah, let me find it.
Okay.
Take it out somewhere.
What's up, Paul?
What's up? Even getting the mail lady on here too.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the mail.
What are you getting?
I don't know. Yeah, it's a surprise because I didn't order nothing.
There you go.
Is it heavy?
No.
Okay. It's from China. All right, buddy.
Oh, you're crazy.
You know,
It's supposed to snow tomorrow.
I know, but it's got to look good for the parade. So I think they said it's going to be later in the morning that we're supposed to get the snow. So, oh well. Just give it a good wash and
wash it, vacuum, and clean the inside.
Wipe down the dash and stuff.
Yeah.
All right, bro.
All right.
Thanks.
Yeah. What's that mean?
That's because I have to install a resistor because I have LED bulbs put in there, so they work.
Whoa.
What are you listening to? Christmas
Whatever
music?
you had on pop hit Taylor Swift. I don't know. That's what came on.
When are you gonna get a ramp?
Never.
Come on.
So many times I gotta drive this one on, you know, when I gotta pick it up and clean it.
I know you drive it all the time. You probably put more miles on this thing than I did.
I doubt that.
There's not much. 60, what are we, 68? 68?
Yep. Alright.
Alright, Paulie. Last week I have some footage from the Jeep shop. They were working on, I believe it was a 2006 Ram 1500 with a 5.7 liter Hemi. They installed an Outlaw Flowmaster exhaust. So they converted that truck from a single outlet exhaust to a dual outlet exhaust from the actual muffler. The existing exhaust system that was on that truck was, it was rusted very badly. I have that footage now. Look at this old girl here. They did a leveling kit on this and installed Bilstein shocks all the way around. And new A-arms. It's a little rusty. She's a little rusty. Keith's getting ready to install this Flowmaster exhaust kit Outlaw system for 2006 to 2008 on this Dodge Ram 1500. Would you look at it? Just look at it. It's a lot of pieces there, Keith. Wow. It's already pre-cut for you upon arrival. I'm actually quite amazed that you got that. That's small.
Look at that tiny thing.
I think it's supposed to do that. Put it in now. You want me to support this a little bit, Keith? Yeah, that's it all the way. Yeah.
A lot of times I'll put 3 marks on it, or 2 or 3 marks, 2 inches and 3 inches. I know what it's going to be.
You guys offering any specials for Christmas or anything like that? Gift cards?
I mean, we do gift cards.
Gift cards? Okay. That's what I should give out as Christmas presents to everyone. I'll be like, this is a Jeep Shop gift card so you can lift your car.
Oh, yeah. Works for me.
Can't wait to see these tips. Woo!
That baby tip. So you gonna hold it up to yours?
Yeah, you can fit 3 of those inside my tip.
Let's go see. This is the new tip for the Ram Beast.
Yep, we're gonna upgrade to this, guys. What do you think?
Maybe 2 of them.
Yeah, we can probably fit 2 of them in there. might be burning a little bit of oil on top of it. Another outstanding job by D&T.
Yep.
Thanks, Paul.
You're welcome.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're stopping by the first time, please hit that subscribe button. And also, I always have important information in the description below. All parts discussed, where we went, where we're going next, etc., etc., etc. Ram Beast Apparel, that's all in there. Have a good one, guys. We'll see you in the next upload.